Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make a paper animation. First, open browser and open paper animation site and click on launch and select an image we want and select the object what we want. Now it will generate the paper animation image. We can select the size and edge thickness and edge intensity and edge details whatever we want and outcut styles. We can do different sizes and text. And we can cut the paper. We can download the image. It will ask sign up first for the first time and then download. We can choose our own options, whatever it is MP4 or PNG image. Here we can do same with text image also. Please subscribe.